What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're back with another video. Girls are wearing their little Memorial Day outfits, so stay tuned to see all the fun things that we have planned.
Okay guys, so we just got out of the apartment. Right now we're about to get in the car to go to the beach.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah, because it's the first day of beach day.
Just got out from a nap, and guys, guess what? We were able to find a good parking spot.
All of the lights were green, and we found a perfect parking. Yay, finally the wind is blowing and I can smell the fresh beach air.
We are here in Rocky Neck. It's in Connecticut. I've been going here since forever, and now I can share it now with the girls.
My mom will tell you where we got these because these are towels, but they're like kind of like a sweater.
Yeah, they're towel dresses from Walmart.
Yeah. Always get them.
You guys excited to be here at the beach?
Yeah. Want to see my bathing suit?
Yes. Ooh.
Mine is just from home.
And your sunglasses as well.
Oh yeah, my dad got them for me.
Yeah.
And
we always have a blast when we come here. So guys, the girls are gonna show you the crab dance. Guys, guess who else joined us today?
Grammy!
It's Grammy! Yeah! And my sister, my mom's boyfriend. We dragged him along, guys. He wanted to stay, we were not having it. And we got him to come. And then Grammy and I were gonna be grilling it out today with some wings, some chicken thighs, some corn on the cob, hamburgers, you name it. We are super excited. Comment down below and let us know what your favorite thing to do at the beach is. For me, it's just laying out and catching an awesome tan. For the girls, I know it's building sandcastles and also finding some really cool sea.
If you ever see garbage, turtles could get hurt by it. So whenever you see garbage, get a bucket and pick it up.
Hashtag save the turtles, guys. Save the turtles. We have to help out our environment and make sure that our animals are safe and that we pick up after ourselves. Always remember that. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a tour of this beach. So here we have a really awesome walkway. The girls are over with Grammy. I decided to take a walk. I need to exercise anyways after all that bread, and I also had some donuts too. But today's Memorial Day and I knew I was gonna eat horribly, and that is why tomorrow I'm gonna go straight to the gym. So there's the beach. So I can still see the girls from over here, but Grammy's with them, so I know that they're good. So we made it to the other side, so hello from the other side. The area that I'm going to show you now is basically where people go and they have like picnics and stuff. So if you want to eat, you can just lay out your tent and just grill out the area where people would grill. So I won't be going to this area, but you see that area right there where the rock is. So you basically walk all the way towards the edge. Some people that fish, they'll tend to go there. This is the little, I don't know what we would call this, I guess castle. So we're gonna go up there now and I'll show you what it looks like.
I'll see you guys in the car.
We came back from the beach, and now I'm here with Genesis that we are going to stop by to get some slime containers.
Kind of tanned.
We're kind of tanned, but
I still have my normal color.
yeah. So now we're gonna stop here at Dollar Tree. All right, guys. So here we have Genesis, Ariana, and their friend Gali. Gali, say hi. So she is going to be doing some Memorial Day slime with the girls. But before we start, I'm gonna show you guys what they use to make the slime. So here we have some blue Orbeez, some red Orbeez.
That we grew yesterday?
We did it last night, so they would be ready for today because it takes like a full day. Then we have some VO5 conditioner that we ended up getting at Dollar Tree. We also got this lotion from Dollar Tree. And we also got Jot color glue in the color blue. And the girls also got these awesome containers
with our initials.
Dollar Tree, and they ended up putting their initials. Genesis got a pack of the square kind, which is really cool. They bring 12 in a pack.
And I got the one with circles.
We are also going to be using cleared Tide, a gallon of white Elmer's glitter, just to add for like the stars and the sparkle. Some red hearts if the girls choose to do it.
And we found food coloring.
We got food coloring, so we have red and blue.
Okay, so I'm just mixing in the Tide, and it kind of looks soapy and messy, but it's okay. Guys, look, I just made 2 dots of each color. More dots. Okay. So here's my pastel blue, then my pastel white. This is my red slime.
Oh, that's very pretty.
You know something's up when you see that face.
What is up?
Beautiful, look at that. Okay, now I just added some little hearts, and now I'm just gonna add, ooh, that looks really pretty. Pretty. I just made my my American flag slime. It's not really in like a pattern like the American flag, but it's just the colors. I mixed, but I made my American flag slime, and it has white, red, and blue.
Alright guys, so this is the slime that Gali made, and if you see these little chunks inside, they are what?
Orbeez.
And that's what it looks like. It looks like very like marbly.